and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a huge unboxing haul. We're going to be unboxing a box of home decor thrifted goodies that my mom and I ordered. By the way, if you guys are from the Dominican Republic, you live here, I'm gonna link where I got this from. I can't remember the name right now, but there's a couple of stores where we have been just obsessed with ordering from, and they have the cutest little vintage, not everything is vintage, but quite a few vintage items for amazing deals, and we have been ordering from them for a couple of months now. This is kind of like a mystery box for me because even though my mom and I ordered most of this together, she did add a bunch of stuff to the order, so I don't know everything that's in here. So we're gonna unbox this together. If you guys love vintage things, home decor, and all that kind of stuff, then keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I don't know, I just really find this sort of thing very satisfying to see. So first off, we have a little plate. Love how she wraps it so carefully together, obviously so that it doesn't fall apart because it is from a different province. And also look at just the carefulness of it all. I did order something from another store and look how it arrived because it was not properly packaged. Here we have the first little plate. Look how cute. I think this is a vintage plate. It's a vintage, man. Look at how worn it is. And I don't know if we're going to frame this and put it in the kitchen walls or if we're gonna use it as an actual plate, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. Mom is waiting for me to be done with this video so she can check everything out. She's behind the camera already grabbing all her stuff. I wanted her to be in this video, but she didn't want to get ready for it. We do have shipping door to door, so very convenient. So nicely packaged. She wrapped this up in a skirt or like some pants. Then we have this little, is this a cake topper or like
cake stand?
A cake stand. Así un cake topper la que se pone arriba. Look how cute. And we got this to make up for the broken one, the one that I showed you guys earlier. That was a cake stand and it was broken. And yeah, look at this. This is by the brand, it doesn't say. Feels very heavy. So cute. Let me just show you just how much stuff there is in here, and we're about to go through all of it. I don't know what this is, but it's really cute. Little mug. I don't know if this is unfocused. So cute. See how many of this we got.
Se llama Blue Willow, esa cerámica.
La cerámica.
Sí, Blue Willow o chuchi, son chuchi. Esas son conocidas, son de cosas.
Mom is trying to educate me, so apparently this is called Blue Willow. Cerámica o el pattern?
Yo no sé, yo sé que son chuchi, yo sé que son patrón conocido.
Okay. I do have the flu as well, which is why my voice is a little bit hoarse. Oh my gosh. I'm one of those people that, first of all, I love coffee. Just drinking coffee out of a cute little mug like this just gives me a dose of dopamine. ¿Esto va a poner vela? Ah, it was upside down.
Yo no sé qué es eso.
It's like a little candlestick holder.
Tampoco yo puedo de eso. Hace la tapa de eso.
De esto. No, no va junto. Another one. Okay, we have a different one. Oh my gosh, guys. This is to put olive oil, right? Look how cute. Now, this is the cutest thing out of everything I've seen. Mira qué lindo. De Murano.
Murano.
Okay, this is one of the things that I was most excited for in this haul, and it is this little cake topper, and we got this because of course it is just so cute, but we mainly got this because we wanted to have a cute little family tradition where for all of our birthdays we're gonna put this on our cakes, and yeah, it's just gonna be like the cake stand, I mean the cake topper for all of our cakes.
You can put a candle inside.
Yeah, you can light a candle inside. It's just so cute. I think this is gonna be my thumbnail. Then we have another candlestick holder. This, which is part of the same set. Te lo voy pasando porque... Another one. Then we have this, which is part of the same set. It says Can Tour. This is made in Delft. Looks like this. This is made in Holland. It was hand printed. So super cute. So we have 3 mugs, and these are bunny mugs. I mean, I guess Easter mugs. How cute. She had, like, the girl who was selling them, she had a couple of people who wanted it, but we literally wrote her like 10 seconds into her posting, and luckily we were able to get them. I can't find the 3rd one, but this is how this ones look. These are going to be my new go-to mugs for every single day. So cozy. The little bunny. I think my favorite thing so far have been this and the mug. So cute. They are way heavier than I anticipated. It doesn't say the brand either. Here's the 3rd one, and this one's perfect for fall and Halloween. Look how cute. I don't even know which one's my favorite. It has a little ghost. Which one do you guys think is the cutest one? We have this one, and then this one. This to add to this set, and don't ask me what you put in this because I have no idea. Next we have this vase, and this is, oh my gosh. I know I've been saying this is so cute for every single thing, but everything is so beautiful. And I want to put this in my room. I almost broke something. Here we have the lid for this. Not for this, I think. For something else. I see. We have a pasta steamer. It's missing a screw. But anyway, this is by Villeroy and Buck. Oh my gosh, such a springy plate. I love anything with flowers, and this is Royal Albert. Spring days. So precious. Here we have a holder for this mug. I don't know what this is. It's like a little house. We've been debating whether we should get Christmas stuff already. I mean, we did get a couple of village houses. We know that when it's closer to Christmas, all of her Christmas things are going to be pricier. We're thinking of getting them now as opposed to later, and also because not everyone is getting Christmassy stuff right now for obvious reasons. Have this to add to our collection. This is a Stony Harbor. The other houses I showed you guys in a short that I published a while ago. We have 2 small plates. Again, super springy, very flowery. Bavaria. Wish we had a vintage furniture and home decor store like that you could go in person here, but we don't. So we just get things either from Instagram or online. Look at this one. Next we have this, a little prop to put either on our dining room table or on the living room table. I'm literally sweating. Actually, we have 2 things, and I think both of these are mug holders, the mug plate. We have the lid for this. Okay, now this makes sense. I was like, what is this? And then the last thing, the 2 plates for the mugs. That's it. What do you guys think about all of our new goodies? And again, if you guys want to shop this store, I'm gonna link it down below in case you're from the Dominican Republic. They are in no way like sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love watching videos like this, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.